So ngayon, I'm going to try our new hair. Okay, so going to try it now, guys. So excited. So here is my new headset. I really like it, guys. As you can see. So let me try it first. There is no left or right. So here it's leather. This one is also nice. Let me see if I can hear the sounds. It's working. Working, guys. It looks really good. Really sleek. So, as of now, I'm using this headset for this recording. I hope you can hear me clearly. I'm so satisfied with the headset. I'll try to put the link down below, and I'll try later kung noise cancelling ba siya. Okay, like the one before, it's a little bit noise cancelling, although naririnig pa rin yung mga noises sa likod. But this one, I mean, yeah, that one before, which is this one. So, ito guys, hiniram ko to sa pinsan ko. Thank you so much. This really looks like mine. Matibay talaga siya, guys. Medyo ganyan na siya, pero matibay talaga siya, guys. Yung sa akin, wala na rin yung mic. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.